Today you have to discuss how to solve first order and first degree differential equation. So by using Euler's modified method. So in that last video we discussed about same problem. So first order and first degree differential equation by Taylor series method. So now Euler's modified method. So same thing. So here you have to take initial value problem. So initial value problem dy by dx is equal to f of xy and is given initial conditions y of x naught is equal to y naught. So that meaning is x is equal to x naught and y is equal to y naught. Now we have to find out the value of y at x is equal to or x1 is equal to x naught plus h. So now we have to find out the value of y. So by using Euler's formula. So what is the Euler's formula? So Euler's formula is given by y1 is equal to y naught plus h into function of x naught comma y naught. So this y naught already is given and h is the step size already is given. You have to find out y1. So this y1 rewritten as y1 to 0. y1 can be written as y1 to 0. That is equal to y naught plus h into function of x naught comma y naught. So this formula is known as Euler's formula. Or here y1 to 0 is called as the predicted value value of y1. y1 to 0 is called predicted value of y1. Now for this Euler's formula accuracy is 4, so that's why you have to use Euler's modified formula. So Euler's modified formula. Euler's modified formula. So what is Euler's modified formula? So here formula this can be written as in that first iteration y1 to 1 is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into function of x naught comma y naught plus function of x1 comma y1 to 0. So this is the formula for y1 to 1. Similarly, we can write y1 to 2. So same thing you have to write y naught plus h by 2 into function of x naught comma y naught plus function of x1 comma here y1 to 0 is there. No, y1 to 0 is we have to take from Euler's formula. Now here you changes y1 to 0, next change is here you have to write y1 to 1. So similarly we can write y1 to 3. So same formula y naught plus h by 2 into function of x naught comma y naught plus function of x1 comma here y1 to 1 is there. No, so you have to replace y1 to 2. So this process will be continued up to you get a desired degree of accuracy. So here Euler's formula. So Euler's formula you have to predicted value. So this is Euler's modified formula. This is the corrected value. So both Euler's and Euler's modified formula can be written as, so Euler's jointly called as Euler's predictor and corrector formula. So in examination they will ask that problem by using Euler's corrector and predictor formula or by using Euler's PC method. So both are same thing. So now we have to take one problem. So using Euler's modified method or Euler's method. So find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So given that dy by dx is equal to 3x plus y by 2 with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1 and taking h is equal to 0.1. Perform 3 iterations from each step. So given equation is dy by dx is equal to 3x plus y by 2 and y of 0 is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.1. So question is find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So here interval means h is step size is given. So here this problem have to do in 2 stages. How means here x0 and here x1. This is the h. So here, what is the value for x naught? Y of 0 is equal to 1 means, so x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. So here you have to find out the value of y at x1, means here you have to write x1 is equal to x naught plus h. So what is the value for x naught? X naught is 0. What is the value for h? H is 0.1. So that is equal to 0.1. So, but in that question, find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. But we will get x1 is equal to 0.1. So that's why this problem you have to do in 2 stages. So first you have to take first stage. So same, x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.1. So first you have to take Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula? So y1 to 0 is equal to y naught plus h into function of x naught comma y naught. This is the Euler's formula. So here f of x naught comma y naught separately you have to find out. So separately you have to find out f of x naught comma y naught. So f of x naught comma y naught. What is f of x comma y? So given equation dy by dx is equal to 3x plus y by 2. That is same for f of xy. So that meaning is you have to write 3x plus y by 2. So that is equal to f of x naught. X naught is 0 and y naught is equal to 1. Substitute here 3 into 0 plus y by 2. So y by 2 means 1 by 2. So that is equal to 0.5. So f of x naught comma y naught. F of x naught comma y naught, that is equal to 0.5. So next you have to use Euler's modified formula. So what is the Euler's modified formula? y1 to 1 is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into function of x naught comma y naught plus function of x1 comma y1 to 0. Write down that formula. So here already is given what is the value of y naught. Y naught is equal to 1. Substitute here. H is 0.1. So 0.1 divided by 2, 0.05 into function of x naught comma y naught. Is not necessary to write here once again. That's why you have to find out in beginning only. Function of x naught comma y naught is, so 0.5 you have to write down. Plus function of x1. What is the value for x1 here? You have to see x1 is equal to 0.1. 0.1 comma y1 to 0. Which value is y1 to 0? By Euler's formula. So Euler's formula. So y1 to 0. So here y1 to 0. y1 to 0 is Euler's formula. See here Euler's formula is y1 to 0 is equal to y naught plus h into function of x naught comma y naught. So here what is the value for y naught is 1 plus what is the value for h? H is 0.1 into function of x naught comma y naught. So that is equal to 0.5. So you simplify this one, you will get y1 to 0 is 1.05. So that value you have to substitute here. 1.05. This one you have to simplify. How to simplify? 1 plus 0.05 into 0.5 plus function of x comma y. So function of x comma y means given equation 3x plus y by 2, 3. So x means first one 0.1 plus y by 2, y means 1.05 divided by 2. So this one you have to simply take calculator and simplify y1 to 1. So we will get the answer. So 1.06625.